going on, everybody? Welcome to another episode of Messed Up Motors, and this is your boy, Daddy. Anyways, today, well actually, let me backtrack a little bit. Guys, if you are new to my channel, thank you for coming by. I hope you stick around, hit that subscribe button. It'll definitely help me out a lot. And this is my channel where we talk about car stuff and modifying car things and reviewing tools and parts and, you know, car guy stuff and, you know, pretty interesting stuff, guys, pretty interesting stuff. And if you're asking, hey, why are you wearing a mask? Well, you see, the thing is, I am just too damn handsome under this mask. I can't show you. I can't show you. Might just break the internet. And I also like my privacy. I don't want anyone to know who I am. Anyways, today, what I've got in store for you. I know you guys want me to continue this build, but I just ordered some new material. I bought some mounting stuff on the internet and it's just not gonna work. I can actually show you. So I bought these things, but you know, they're a little bit too wobbly. I don't think they can handle the weight. Maybe if I, you know, weld these two pieces together, it might be okay, but there's just too much flexing going on. You know, I don't think it'll, you know, be good for what I need it to do. But you know, maybe if I kind of like weld out the sides, it'll have some more structural integrity, but I'm scared that the welds might come off if it flexes too much. So that being said, I have some other ideas in mind. Would rather go to the hardware store and see what kind of things they got, and if you guys have something in mind what I can use to have like some sort of flat bar like this, you know, please leave a comment down below. I know nothing about metal. I'm just, you know, ordering stuff and hoping for the best. So I need something that's structurally sound. I am going to try to heat these things up so I can bend them as much as I can. I know nothing about heating metal up and bending them and smacking them with a hammer. So I want to try to get them as custom as possible so I can just drill them into place rather than welding them permanently onto the frame. Mostly because I feel like that might just be a disaster waiting to happen, especially with stick welding. Maybe if I use a MIG weld, something like that, TIG weld, but I don't have one of those. So I'm going to rely on purely drilling a bunch of holes and kind of just putting them in their spot. So this way it's more of a puzzle being put together. So today, actually, I just wanted to show you guys, I guess you can call this a filler episode, but I bought some hella horn, mostly because this car right here, yeah, the horns are just horrible. I can show you. I will show you as soon as I'm done reviewing the hella horns. So for those of you who don't know about hella horns, it's a big Subi thing. I mean, you can put them pretty much anywhere you need a horn. Super loud. It sounds like the Roadrunner. And that's the best way I can describe it for those who are too young to understand who Roadrunner is. It was like a cartoon, like in the 90s, you know, Wile E. Coyote. He would always like chase after the Roadrunner, blowing himself up and goes beep beep. But yes, that's what I have right here. And without further ado, I shall review. Okay, so here we have the hella horn, because it's gonna be hella fantastic. So I did get this one in the yellow, mostly because I have like this kind of a yellow blue vibe going on in the Subi that I have behind me, but it's mostly like fluorescent yellow. I might, you know, paint this cover over and do a nice floral yellow. I think it would look very nicely on this Subi. Wow, is this crooked? Anyways, so just take a look around the box. Made in India and with a nice little barcode. Has some pictures, hella sticker. You know, I gotta look for that official holograph. I'm gonna have to hurry up. Got this holograph, 115 decibels. There's no way I can test that. I don't have a thingy that reads decibels. And yeah, that's all there is to it, the box. Oh, look, instructions, pictures. I love those pictures right there. Says horn, relay, battery. Then steering wheel, relay, battery? What is that? I don't know what that is. Fuse box? I don't know, beats me, but this is apparently for a car that doesn't have a horn, I guess. All right, so let's open this up. Let's see what we got. By the way, box, not structural integrity of the box. Questionable. So here we go. Installation instructions, disconnect battery, select mounting position, do not adjust or alter brackets, and change the electrical whoa. Big words, don't want to read. All right, so here we go. Let's see what we got. We got some reading material for when you want to go potty. Some more instructions. Oh, pictures. I like the pictures. We'll save that. Maybe I might use those. I see a little box. What's in here? One piece. Slicer. What? Normal. Oh, it's a relay. Relay. What? No way. Guys, I've never had a product that supplied its own relay. Wow, can't believe it. Oh, and it's official, guys. Hella relay. I don't think I need this, mostly because it's already set up with a horn and what seems to be a somewhat looking hella horn already that's in there, but super bad, so. Oh shit, actually I need that. You know, extra spare pieces. All right, my camera's about to die, so let's do this as quick as possible. But here we go. We got these hella horns. Not much to say about them, but they are looking spectacular. Ooh, actually, I actually really like the way it looks. Got the hella logo, bracket, made in India. Looks pretty self-explanatory. A knob? What does this do? It looks like it's siliconed in place, being like, hey, don't touch. Maybe, I don't know. This one has a knob too. We'll dig more into that, but these are the horns and they are going in there. And I shall show you how to install them. LH, I'm pretty sure right stands for, or right spells R. Left, I don't know. High? Weird. Anyways. All right, let's get these things installed. All right, guys, so I just wanted to show you how bad this one is. So look at this rusty thing. Oh man, that's hideous. There you go, now you guys can see it. And this one is actually down here somewhere. I saw it fall. Is it? Oh, there it is. So this should be as simple as undoing that. It's up there. And yeah, this is bad. And we're just gonna get rid of those and put some fresh ones in, and it should be just plug and play. At least theoretically it should be plug and play. I'm not sure where this plug goes or is, but we shall look for it, I guess. Oh wow, I wasn't even recording. But upon further investigation, I've noticed, let's see if this came out like this wire is just nowhere to be found, and I have no idea where it is. And this one right here, same thing. Is just, this one's not even connected to anything. It's just kind of dangling on there. I want to say it worked at one point. Like I don't remember using the horn. Like I don't really beat my horn, but it was literally just connected to one wire, just this thing. I don't know where the other one is, and it doesn't look like it. There's another wire down here, and I'm just so confused. I'm gonna probably have to do some digging, some further investigation to find out where it could possibly have gone. I'm just so confused. This might just be cosmetic. I might just have to just bolt these on and pretend that they work. Crazy. Yeah, guess that's what I'm gonna do. I mean, it could be that, you know, the other side is just ground and I could just make my own ground wire, but I mean, I guess maybe I can do like a, you know, like just piggyback it together and I think I'm just gonna bolt it on and call it cosmetic. I mean, I guess I'm not gonna do a full installation video. It should be as easy as just plugging it in and, you know, taking the new one out. I mean, plugging the old one out, and it's not that hard. But yeah. All right, and there we have it, boys and girls. It's looking pretty good. Did have a problem with this bolt right here. It was pretty rusty, so I did I accidentally banged the old one against the radiator, and now I'm praying that there is no hole in there. I swear if I put a hole through this thing, I'm gonna lose it. It's pretty banged up. I mean, it looks okay. I don't see any wetness, but I wouldn't know until I get some pressure in there. But I guess I need to buy a new Mishimoto radiator pretty soon. It looks like this one might blow up on me. But it actually looks pretty cool. I like it. You know what? I'm not even gonna change the color. I'm just gonna leave it like that. All right, guys. So that's all I had for you guys today. I know it's probably not what you wanted. You definitely wanted me to continue this zombie apocalyptic adventure. I don't know. But yeah, unfortunately, I do need to buy more material. So I figured today I'd just do a little quick review on the Hella horns. And honestly, it looks pretty dope. I like it. I don't know what it sounds like, unfortunately, because yeah, I really suck at anything electrical. I mean, I'll probably, once it's not dead and I have it charged up, I'll fondle around with it. Maybe I'll just do a little piggy bank and, you know, just hope for the best. And yeah, that's all I got for you guys today. Like, comment, and subscribe to your boy. Hit that notification button. And guys, you need to subscribe. Most of you guys are not even subscribing. It really breaks my heart. My heart is being destroyed because you will not subscribe to me. And I'm just gonna cry. I'm gonna cry so much. Anyways, I'll see you guys next week.